Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of my channels. I hope everyone will fine. And today I bring a very perfect and very important video for every speakers. Today the most important topic is what is the difference between grammars and speaking. Is there speaking grammar is important for the speaking? So we have only and the third one lesson is that where we use a grammars and where we use a speaking. Or today I bring a three important lesson for everyone, which is too important. Do not miss this one video from start to the end. This is mostly very important for the beginner of English because a lot of people have been very confused about this question. They can use a grammars during speaking. So today I thought to discuss about this topic. In the first video, we have explained that how to introduce yourself, and in this video I bring a very important topic. So first of all, I wanted to request to everyone subscribe my channels and do not miss any video of my channel. You will learn a very perfect English, a very professional English, and with the very easy way because I'm your friend, not a teacher, I'm your friend. So get a start. I'm gonna to start from the first lesson. The first lesson is that what is different between speaking and grammars. So first of all, the lot of people have been confused when they are been speaking. Then they can thought about the grammars. It's a very wrong way. It's a so percent wrong. How you can do it? It's a very difficult for everyone. If you thought and the mind and you speak with the mouth, it's very important and it's very difficult. But if you learn the English speaking from childhood by the sentence and you learn the sentence of the grammars, then you can have and be taught and you will speak very perfectly, professionally. And today video, we will keep grammar one side and speaking from one side. So I'm gonna to start. How you will able to speak English speaking with grammars? It's a very difficult. I'm going to start. I am going to school. It's a very difficult because I thought in my mind and about and use with my mouth. It's very difficult. If I learn sentences, I'm going to school and I drink water over there. It's a too. Today I get too much water. So this is very easy because I learn sentences of the with the grammars. If you do it a mistake in the grammar, then the Englishman haven't be thought about your grammars. It's just about to get the idea of your sentence. So how you will use the grammars? It's a very wrong way. But if you thought to get a confidently speaking, then you must be keep separately a speaking and grammars. The first one lesson I can explain, and the second one lesson is that how we will learn English speaking without grammars. I'm gonna to get a one story. If a man have been learned grammars and speaking, grammars only grammars, this man will speak perfectly and with the confidently without hesitation. Or if one man can learn sentences of every sentence which are here and keep in mind, which will we learn, which we will speak, which one will speak perfectly and confidently without hesitation. You will say that the grammar well will be speak confidently without hesitation. But if I guess The second one will speak very perfectly with the confidence, without hesitation. I'm gonna to use that. One man will start. I'm going to school to drink waters and back to home to get a meal at the night time. He will start in the mind for grammars, but in the second one will how he will speak. You may know I'm going to school to drink waters and back to home to get a meals, and after the meal I will sleep for some time. It's a very perfect, yeah. It's a very perfect. The second one is without hesitation, because the second one will do not be that in the mind, and the first one will start in the mind for the grammars, because he will learn a grammar for that. But the second one will learn a sentences of grammars. So the second one is very perfect. So I'm gonna to guess everyone that do not be thought about the grammars. Just speak, and here you will learn grammars and speaking with a very perfectly. The and the third one lesson is a very important, which people have been asked. You will ask in comment that where we use the grammars. If this is not important for speaking, then where we will use. A lot of teachers have been said that it's a very, very important. Grammar is very important for speaking, but they are too much wrong. And the third one lesson is that where we will use a speaking and a grammars. I'm gonna to use this one if I giving a test, papers, etc. If the teacher give me a CSS test, that please follow it. If a one sentence is come like that, uh, I'm gonna to use it in Urdu. वो school जाता है. Then how I will able to use to write this one? He got to school. It's a very wrong, because it's just used for speaking. But if I use it in grammars, he go to school. That it's a very good. He goes to school. Yeah, he goes to school. Then it's a good. But it's this is used. Grammar is used for writing and test papers, etc. And the speaking is just used for dealing, business, sports, etc., etc. You can't be. You will never be have hesitation from any Englishman if you learn English with me. So I request to everyone: do not miss my channels, any videos, and support my channels. And I request you to Facebook family and YouTube family that please support me, because I can do it very hard working. It's my second video, and the third one video will bring a very chance in you, and inshallah you will learn a very professional English with me. So I'm gonna to uh, meet with in the third video. So I will bring a very important video, which is too much important for beginner of English. So uh, we will meet in the next video. Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye, everyone. Have a good day.